All right, so for this one, it says that Carly solved the quadratic equation by completing the square, but she had some mistakes. So we're just going to go through and double check each step. So basically, it looks like on the first step, she distributed the x, right? X times x is x squared. X times positive 4 is a positive 4x, so she used the distributive property. So now, what is b? Well, b over 2 squared is what I gotta add, right? Well, b is equal to 4, right? This term right here is 4. So I'm gonna say 4 over 2 squared. What's 4 divided by 2? 2. So, but this says 4 squared. Uh-oh. Well, is that wrong? Yeah, that's the mistake right there. Should have added 2 squared. So let's see which one that is. Should have subtracted the value from the right side of the equation instead of adding. No, that's not true. She put a plus or minus sign in the wrong spot. No, that's not true. She added the wrong value to both sides of the equations to complete the square. Yeah, that's it.
It's always he.
Okay, any questions on that? I'll leave that up there. Okay, can you